Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create a PayPal account and use it to transact businesses across the world without any other problem. If you're in a country that is not eligible to sign up for PayPal account, follow through to the end of this video and I'll teach you how to successfully create and transact businesses with no problem. As usual, my name is Nasif and I make tutorial videos of software productivity tools that will help you increase your productivity at work. If you are interested in my videos, kindly subscribe, click the notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. Like and share your comment. So now to start, you would have to enter paypal.com.au and then you click on enter, and then after that you come to sign up. So when you come to sign up, you come to either create a PayPal account for yourself or you create for your business. So first of all, let's start with creating for our business. So now I would have to enter my email account, and my email account, I'm going to enter it right now. Okay, so it says I should enter my password. I'm going to enter my password. Okay, I just entered my password, and then it's saying that we select a business. So I'll just say sole trader, and then I'll click on next. So after that, it says a primary authorized user. So who is authorized to use your account? So we select no, and then first name and the last name. So the first name and the last name, so you submit it. Okay, so now we are done creating our account. And then let's confirm our email first. So I'm confirming my email confirmation. Yes, so now my account is confirmed and I'm eligible to use PayPal. So I'm eligible now. I can now transact all my businesses with PayPal. I can pay, I can receive, and then I can also send money to anyone else. Okay, so in my next video I'll teach you how to probably use PayPal, and see you in our next one. Thank you. Bye bye.